Hey everybody, how you doing today? We have a special product right now. This is a new way of having or wearing a headphones. It's a bone conduction headphone, and this is a very unique product, to be honest with you. So if we look at here, we have these some spec as you can see. Battery life up to 6 hours, both music and calls. It is as light as 38 grams, so it's very light on your head if you want to wear it. Now, as you can see, this is the basic look here. It's like this is not in your ear, it's out of ear, and we have a microphone here, so it's very good for conference call, a video call, etc. Here, as you can see, very nice looking headphones. Here, as you can see, bone conduction and waterproof as well, and sweat proof. So you could actually use it outside if you are actually using phone calls or conferences outdoors and there is rain outside or something. So you got that right. Now let's take a look at some other specification here. We have speaker type, it's bone conduction speakers, frequency 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz, and we have a charging time of 2 hours, which is really good actually. 2 hours of charging time, that's really good. So the battery inside here is 3.7 volts, 200 milliamp app, up to 6 hours, depending on volume. So you have to watch out the volume, etc. And we have a wireless range, 50 meters usability, so that's really good. Anyways, I'm gonna unbox this product and we're gonna see what we have here. I'm very actually excited about this product because it's a new way of using headphones, and it's probably gonna be the new thing. Everybody talking about this bone conduction uh, headphones. So we have some stickers here. Thank you. No, thank you, actually. And as you can see, it's really good. Let me just look at what we have here. Oh, we have 100% chance of winning a big fat surprise. So you can, if you order this one, you're gonna get some like good, nice stuff, and you can have it for here. Now, just to let you know, guys, this is from the company called Naenka. I already had an earbuds from Naenka, which is this one. They actually sent me this earbuds, and it's really good actually. Pretty good quality earbuds. So this is a new invention from their product line. So let's just see what we have here. They give you this box, which is, I believe this is in a USB-C, most likely a USB-C. Double check just to make sure. Yep, it's USB-C, and some plugs for your ears. It's really good. Now we have the product over here. Let's just flip it up, upside down. Okay, let's put it right here. Let me just increase the light a little bit because it's getting dark right now. It's sunset, so right. There you go. So we have this product, guys, and it looks amazing. Look how lightweight it is. I'm actually surprised of how light is this product. So all you have to do is just put this under your ear, just like in this picture. Let me just show you. In this picture, it's over the ear here, as you can see the mic over here, and then this area comes back of your head, and it looks really neat actually. So I'm gonna actually, since this is only an unboxing video, I'm gonna do another video which is a full review of this product. I'm gonna show you how it's actually on my head, how it's wearable, and how it's been used. Also, here you can see there is a two volume. There's two sets here, and On the right side, pretty much we don't have anything. I believe we don't have microphone. This microphone is over there. Oh yeah, this is we have a dedicated microphone actually. So it's really nice, and you can just take it with you, like put it in your pocket and just take it like that. And it's totally wireless and it's really good. Anyways, I'm really excited to see what is this all about. Here's a bottom actually. I believe it's like a reset or call or stop call or stuff like that. Like make the call, stop the call. Very interested. Very interesting. Okay, so yeah, this is the as just mentioned, this is a bone conduction headphones from Naenka. I'm going to use it later on. I'm just showing you the first impression or first unboxing of the box. So yeah, stay tuned guys for the next video. Take care. See you in another video.